So this is Marble Female 2 in the litter by Synapse. She's doing quite well. You can hear one of her sisters yelling in the background. They're very angry at me because I have them locked up so I can videotape them one at a time. And those that are in prison, so to speak, that's what they're saying at least. We're in prison, we're in jail, let us out, let us out. Are really jealous of the one that is out playing around. So this is Female 2. She's going to be living in North Carolina with a friend of a client of mine, and I look forward to meeting them here in the near future. She's doing quite well. She'll really fill this house up with a lot of love and joy, and she's a beautiful, beautiful kitten. Really doing well. Lots and lots of playtime with this girl, and she's quite comical. Has lots of personality, which is what we like about our Bengals, filled with personality. So this is Female 2, and she'll be ready to leave here towards the end of August. And there she is. She says, oh, toys, 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 what do I do first? So there she is.